What is up, Christian from the Ghost Silver Games, and right now I have the sonic screwdriver from Doctor Who, made by Dr. Matt on the workshop. Obviously, the sonic screwdriver is very good at opening doors, but it also can lock them. Well, see, now I cannot lock them. Another cool feature about the sonic screwdriver is that it produces light and can also set off some moving objects throughout the map, such as this elevator. And you can stop it, and yeah. The screwdriver is also capable of moving props, such as this scrap thingy. You can also destroy breakable objects, such as the vent or glass. The screwdriver also interacts with the TARDIS, so you can lock it like a car and unlock it. Also, you can turn it invisible. You can also link the TARDIS by holding Alt and left click, and by clicking somewhere else. And if you're feeling lazy, you can flip the levers with the sonic screwdriver. The screwdriver also works with S-cars. You can lock it and unlock it. You could disable this chopper's gun by clicking at him. Now his weaponry is disabled, and he cannot shoot at me. Ha! Or you could turn your best friends into enemies. He was laughing at me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So just play with this screwdriver, and hopefully you'll find more things I didn't go over. So hope it's been fun, and hope you enjoyed this. See ya.